Welcome to this Sellercloud tutorial on how to sell on Amazon websites outside the United States. As one of the biggest online markets, Amazon has expanded its reach beyond the US, offering its services in various regions across North America and Europe, among others. With Sellercloud's Amazon integration, you can easily manage all your international Amazon accounts through your Sellercloud account. Let's get started. In Sellercloud, there are two configuration options when selling on Amazon international marketplaces. Let's start with Amazon Unified Accounts. Amazon allows sellers to maintain multiple international accounts unified under a single Seller Central account. For example, the North American region includes the United States, Canada, and Mexico. While inventory is shared across all marketplaces, creating offers in one North American marketplace does not automatically populate offers in the others. You must create offers in each of the marketplaces you wish to target. In Sellercloud, you will need to designate a separate company for each account to configure the correct country code and currency. However, they will share the same selling partner API token and merchant ID. Listings typically share the same SKU on each marketplace, linked to a parent unified account company where inventory is shared. Now, let's talk about individual international Amazon accounts. If you have a standalone account for an international marketplace, such as Amazon CA or Amazon UK alone, you can easily connect it to Sellercloud. First, you need to create a new company with the relevant country code and currency for the international marketplace you want to integrate. Go to Settings, Companies, then Manage Companies and click on the green button in the lower right corner. Fill in the relevant information and click Add. Once you've created the company, open it and navigate to the Toolbox, and head to Amazon General Settings. Follow the instructions provided in the Amazon Account Integration section to integrate your individual international Amazon account. Remember, only SKUs that are created under the relevant company can be listed on your international Amazon account. If you want to share inventory between companies, you can set up shadows. After verifying your account, you will receive your API tokens. The next is setting the options in the controls panel. Additionally, if you need to manage manual currency conversion rates, you can enable the Enable Manual Currency Conversion Rates setting in your client settings. This will add a page in your company's toolbox that allows you to enter currency conversion rates. To set up manual currency conversion rates, navigate to Settings, click on Companies, then Manage Companies. Choose your company, head on over to the toolbox, and choose Currency Conversion, Manual. Here, you can enter the currency conversion rates for your international accounts. Finally, if you have listings in Sellercloud for any non-unified Amazon account, make sure that the SKUs either exist or have shadows under the company with the corresponding country code and currency. This ensures proper listing and inventory management. That's it. Thanks for watching.